Do you know that you are entitled to compensation when your flight is being delayed or cancelled without any prior notice, especially with Ryanair? I will share my experience with you. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, Motivated and Inspired. On this channel, I do share content on immigration by experience and based on research. And even sometimes I do share information on how to get a job, what companies to go to, how to prepare your CV and all of that. So if these are topics that you are interested in, please do make sure to subscribe and share this channel with other people, especially this video, because a lot of people are traveling these days and they need to be compensated when their flights are being delayed, especially 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. I mean, what the hell? So recently I made a trip from England to Spain. I'm still in Spain. You can see how sunny it is. Anyway, so a trip that was supposed to be 2 hours and 15 minutes cost me 7 to 8 hours. Why? Because we were delayed at the airport. And mind you, I was traveling with a toddler, like a little toddler. So that was very strenuous and overwhelming. And yes, definitely, I deserve to be compensated for, and so are a lot of the other passengers. Now, a lot of people do not know that they have to apply for this compensation because Ryanair did send us a lot of messages, a lot of emails apologizing for the delay, but there was nowhere they shared a link or even said apply for compensation. So you see, if you don't know, you don't know. So sharing this information is actually going to earn you some bucks in your pocket. Now, it's pretty simple, but it can seem very tedious because of how they structured their website and what information they place there. Of course, there is qualification. They put policy and all of that. But I'm going to share a link with you that will take you straight to where you have to apply for. Now, I will advise you apply after 24 hours of the flight, but do make sure you take a screenshot of your trip details, which will entail your reference number, your booking reference number, because you need it. When you do buy the flight ticket, they will send you an email that will contain all those details, and then on your boarding pass, it will also be there, and then the traveling itinerary, it will also be there. But take a screenshot just to be on the safer side. Because if you are having that information only on the website, at a point in time, it vanishes and you might not be able to allocate it. So you do have it in your email, take a screenshot also, and that's it. I did apply after 1 week. You can, I would say 1 week should be maximum. I don't know if I would have been qualified after 1 week. So I would say within the 1 week frame after the flight, you should apply. And it was pretty much simple. I applied for only the delay. After 2 weeks, I checked my bank and voila. Ryanair deposited 400 plus into my account for compensation. And if you are two, they are supposed to compensate 2 people. Also, the compensation comes in according to how long you were delayed at the airport. You can also add other expenses like accommodation, like transportation, like food, because as you're waiting at the airport, you're going to be hungry and you're going to spend on that. I did not apply for compensation on food because I felt like it was a peanut, so I didn't apply for that. But if you spend more like 10, 20, 40, then you should apply for that, because there were other passengers that were traveling in group or a whole family of 5. That would be a lot, so you need to apply for that. And if also you would need an accommodation, then you have to look into their website. Immediately they announce there is a delay, I will advise you to go through the website and see what arrangements is there for you, especially if you're traveling to a place that you know nobody about and you need to check in into a hotel or check into accommodation, or some car have to pick you up and you need to pay for that. Then you need to read all those details on Ryanair's website based on cancellation policy they do have, so that you are guided and not end up losing any amount of money. Now let's go straight and let me show you how I apply for this. I didn't even need a laptop, I used my phone, so let's apply for it. I hope that this video did help you and you're not going to lose any money or make any airline take advantage of you. As soon as there is cancellation or any delay, please go to the website of the airline and check what you're qualified for and apply. But for Ryanair, it is sorted. I will put the link to application in my comment section and also in the description box. So you should look out for that, for the link to apply. I hope that I've helped you enough with this video. Like I will always say, be bold, be you, do you, say whatever you want to say as long as you're not hurting anyone. But most of all, stay motivated and inspired. And I will see you in the next video. It's already no longer sunny, so I'll go and take a swim and have a beautiful day. It's Fiesta.
Stay motivated and inspired.